Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer. Have a special guest with us today, Lucas, who is I'll say a camper van designer.
Yeah,
Is that
and
a good way to
builder.
put it? And builder. And I want him to tell you about his story, how he got here, and how you could even get some of his designs. So Lucas, fill in the blanks here for us.
Yeah, thanks so much for this opportunity. And my name is Lucas Ravizza. I've been building vans for 4 years, and this is actually my 5th van complete. Each one takes about 6 to 8 months, and this is called the Odyssey Lite.
Odyssey Lite?
The Odyssey Lite.
Oh, Odyssey.
Odyssey. The longer version of this is the original Odyssey. They got so much traction that I partnered with Rogue Van Company to bring you guys the Odyssey designs, and here I am at the show.
So my guess is what used to take you 6 to 8 months probably can go a lot faster now because of your partnership?
Yeah. So Rogue has been in business since 2018, and they have like a big team, and they have CNC machines and like really specialized people doing everything from like upholstery to cabinets, electrical, plumbing. So everything is kind of like positioned in a way where it's very like cohesive and fast paced, and that's something I was unable to do. Yeah. So this design was meant to just be like be visually appealing, but also very functional. So I was very meticulous with my design and my color choices and where everything went. But there's a bed lift up here that comes all the way down and sits flush with the backrests into these bump outs, and you get 6'7" side to side. And then like the centerpiece of the van is the shower in the front. There's a corner shower that passes all the way through to the front of the cab. So part of my design in the Odyssey builds is this garage right here, right when you open the slider door. My client in this particular build wanted to have his golf bag here, secured with these. This flips up, and you use these ski holders, so you can have skis here in the winter. And then on the left side here, we have fly fishing rod holders.
Oh, so fishing, golfing, or skiing right there.
Or skiing right there.
Nice.
And that's all customizable. You can put drawers there. You can do whatever you want. Right here, we have some glass. This is a pantry. And we have the closet there, but when you click this button, the glass turns opaque. Just a cool feature. I like to add some fun elements like this into my build.
A little different, haven't seen that before.
Yeah, and the real cool part about this shower is it's angled, and I matched the angle on the counter, and that really guides you into this space. And that was kind of the idea with this design.
Also very unique, and you were able to take advantage of closing off the cab then by doing that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. For the kitchen, we have an induction cooktop. Over here we have an oven that also does air fry, bake, and broil. And then we have a big sink with filtered water. All of my drawers are custom walnut, so I grain match all the walnut drawers, and I round the brass corners. All of these are mag locked, so they're electronically locked. 150 pounds per drawer. So in the longer version of this Odyssey, the bed lift itself is a full queen, and then you can convert and do double queens. But in this one, it's the 144, so the bed is a lot smaller, and you actually drop it all the way to sit flush, so you can sleep side to side, 6'7", and have 54 inches wide.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
And it allows you to keep your bedding on there and just push it back up to the ceiling and
exactly.
not worry about it, right?
Yeah, so I gotta make sure to stop it.
Is there a weight limit on that?
I believe it's 600 pounds.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah.
So I'm curious, one, you have a beautiful van, a beautiful layout here. How did you get into this type of business?
Yeah, so I just loved traveling, and I actually built my first van. It was a Ram ProMaster used, and my plan was to just travel in it and train for endurance sports, and that didn't happen because I met like the right people, all these like crazy van builders at the time, and they just pushed me, and I pushed myself, and I ended up selling that first one, diving right into the second one, which turned into the third, fourth, and the fifth. And like I always say, like I'm gonna own this one, and then I always end up like selling it and moving on, coming up with some new ideas. And now I just love it. Like I just love doing like little things like the tint and woodworking. Like I didn't do any woodworking before this, so it's just something to keep my mind occupied and stimulated, and I really like it.
Okay, so someone interested in this, 2 questions. 1, what's the price? And then 2, how do they get more information about it?
Yeah, okay. So the price on the shorter wheelbase for the Odyssey Lite is $225,000, and the longer one starts at $240,000. And that includes like 10 kilowatt hour, 48 volt batteries, toilets, solar, tire carrier, full hydronic heating, which is a huge thing in a van, and 48 volt air conditioner. Other than that, the van looks the exact same in the base price, and upgrades usually tend to be things that are outside of the van. Yeah.
Yeah, and just to remind people, this is on a Mercedes all-wheel drive package, the Sprinter van.
Yeah, and you can find more information at my website, Ravizza Luxury Vans, or at roguevancompany.com.
Awesome.
And then my Instagram is Lucas Ravizza. Yeah.
Beautiful. Well, Lucas, thanks for taking a few minutes and walking us through this. Very nice. Awesome job. Good.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, beautiful job. So with all that said, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope all your future RV trips are optimized. Thanks.